Hey everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys Google Pixel 7 Pro camera test after 2.5 years. Google Pixel 7 Pro right now running Android 15 and I'm already making this smartphone long time for review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. Now talk about the camera sensor. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup, a 50 megapixel main sensor, 48 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom and 12 megapixel ultra wide, and the font is come with a 10.8 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 4K 60 fps video, and you also record 1080p 30 60 120 fps and 240 fps slow-mo video with EIS and OIS, and this is 4K 60 fps video and the video quality is too good. Now talk about the picture quality. Daylight you can take a great pictures, all the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness pretty good, and you guys get a pretty much good idea about the picture quality in a daylight. So let me know in the comment section below your thought about the picture quality. Now talk about the 12 megapixel ultra wide. 12 megapixel ultra wide you also take a great pictures has main camera. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness too good. Now let's talk about the portrait pictures. You can get two options 1x and 2x. And the portrait mode pictures are also great. You can take a great pictures with your Pixel 7 Pro, and as you can see that our picture quality is too good. Overall the camera are very standard compared to 2025. Alright, now let's talk about the night photography. Night photography experience also very good. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a great pictures has daylight pictures. All the image color correction and sharpness too good, and the image also have a lot of details. So let me know in the comment section below your thought about the camera quality of Google Pixel 7 Pro. So overall the camera quality is very decent and very capable for 2025. Okay, that pretty much for our long time camera review Google Pixel 7 Pro. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be catch you next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.